Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to discuss all types of keywords in SEO and tips on how to use them in your SEO strategy. But before we dive into that, make sure to check out our video on what is keyword research and why is it important to get a better understanding of the importance of keyword research in SEO. Now, let's talk about the different types of keywords in SEO. There are 4 main types of keywords: short tail, long tail, geo-targeted, and LSI keywords. Short-tail keywords are the most basic type of keywords and usually consist of 1 or 2 words. These are often very competitive and can be difficult to rank for, but they are essential for driving traffic to your website. Long-tail keywords, on the other hand, are longer and more specific phrases that people use to search for something. These are easier to rank for because they have less competition, and they often lead to more targeted traffic. Geo-targeted keywords are location-specific keywords that help to attract local customers to your business. These are particularly useful for small businesses that want to reach customers in their area. Lastly, LSI, Latent Semantic Indexing keywords are related keywords that are used to support your primary keyword. These are great for improving the relevance of your content and helping search engines understand what your content is about. Now that you know about the different types of keywords, let's talk about some tips on how to use them in your SEO strategy. Tip 1. You should focus on using long-tail keywords in your content because they are less competitive and more specific. This will help you to rank higher in search results and attract more targeted traffic to your website. Tip 2. Make sure to include your primary keyword in the title, URL, and meta description of your content. This will help search engines understand what your content is about and improve your chances of ranking higher. Tip 3. Use LSI keywords throughout your content to improve its relevance and make it easier for search engines to understand what your content is about. Tip 4. Don't forget to optimize your content for mobile devices because most people use their phones to search for information online. So there you have it. That's all types of keywords in SEO and tips on how to use them in your SEO strategy. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comments section below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more great SEO content.